Hello student, welcome to digital classes. This video is for class 7, chapter number 7, and this is the continue of chapter number 7 and part 3, weather climate adaptation of the animal to the climate. In the previous video I taught you about weather, climate, weather forecasting, minimum and maximum thermometer, climate chart, and geographical factor affecting the climate at any place, adaptation in animal to different climate. In this I tell you the adaptation of polar bear, penguins, Siberian crane, and some of the tropical rainforest animals. Now in this video I am going to tell you about some more adaptation in animal to the tropical rainforest like chameleons, monkeys, elephants, etc. Now, characteristic of life, all living things change to fit their environment is said to be adaptation. How have animals adapt to the rainforest environment? Let us understand. Some I already taught you and some I discussed in this video. Now let us start this video with the adaptation in chameleon. Adaptations of chameleons. Chameleon is a arboreal lizard. Its tails is long and prehensile. It has the capacity to change its color, skin color, similar to that of the background to hide itself. Chameleons can change to the various shapes of green, blue-green, turquoise and black. A special tail. When the chameleon settles down to sleep, the tail will often curl up into a perfect spiral. Basically, these tails are useful for the chameleon to hold the tree. Now, chameleon is an arboreal lizard. Its tail is long and prehensile. It has a great gripping power due to its fused fingers in group of 3 and 2. The eyes are very large and they move in all direction, better adapted for binocular vision. The chameleon sees front with its right eye and behind with its left eye. Its tongue is large, sticky, and roll up as a tape inside the mouth. It has the capacity to change its skin color similar to that of the background to hide itself. On finding a suitable prey, the chameleon at once shoot its tongue out to catch the prey. The tongue is then rolled up back into the mouth. What adaptations enable Toku to live? These birds have a long beak. Although animals in the tropical rainforest have a wide variety of food available, but there is lot of competition for food. As a result, many birds have adapted to a particular food which is not eaten by other animals. These animals have developed special method for obtaining their food. Known for their large colorful beak, Toku have the largest build to body ratio of any bird in the world. These canopy dwellers live in the new tropical region of South and Central America, where the bulk of its diet consists of seasonal fruits. Despite the Tocotycan's distinctive appearance, researchers know very little about predator and lifespan. Instead, research focuses on how these oddly shaped birds manage to live and thrive in the wild. Beaks. Although it appears to be a liability, the large beak helps the toucan grasp fruits, insects, eggs, and small birds. Researchers believe that the beak may attract a mate. The beak provide a mean of piercing feathers and defending against small predator. The toucan adjust blood flow to the beak to regulate their body temperature through controlled heat loss, so the bird does not overheat in its tropical habitat. Now toes. Because of a large beak, relatively small body and shorter wing, toucans fly poorly. To counteract their lack of mobility, toucans have strong leg and toes of their body of their four toes on each foot. The first and the fourth are backwards so that two toes wrap around the branches for each direction. This sure grip allows the bird to walk and hop along branches in the canopy without having to rely on their wings as much. Coloration. The toucan beak has a black spot on orange and yellow feather which blend into the colors of canopy. The black and white body provides more protection in area where the toucan should be less visible. It lives in holes in tree where they tuck their bright beaks under their wings and draw up their tail feathers to cover the colors. This allows the toucan to bend into the dark hole and potentially avoid predators. Now, flocks. Toucan toucan typically live in a small group of six adults who travel all together to find fresh sources of food as the season change, or they deplete the available fruit supplies. Both parents work together to care for their eggs and raise the young for their first 8 weeks. Toucan chatter loudly and click their beaks to communicate among themselves. They also use their loud croaking sound to startle potential predator and allow the group to escape. Now the adaptation in birds. Birds have the following adaptive features that enable them to fly in the air for a long time. Forelimbs modified to wing for flying. Birds, bats are truly adapted for flying. That is aerial mode of living. Body is light in weight. Bone with air captive to make body light. Strong flight muscles provide additional strength for winged flight. Now, lion-tailed marquis or bearded ape. The marquis are well adapted to their environment. Their silver manes help keep off the rain during monsoon, and their chick pouches allow them to collect a lot of food quickly and avoid predator. In addition, they have opposable thumbs which aid in foraging as well. Let us have a quick glance at any of our lion-tailed marquis troop and you will understood where their name comes from. Few other primates have such a striking characteristic as a mane of silver white hair around their cheeks and chin. The similarities continue to the tail, which has a black tuft of fur at the end, just like that of a lion. Now, the habitat. The lion-tailed markhor is one of 16 markhor species which have an extensive home range stretching from Gibraltar to Japan. However, this particular primate is confined to tiny isolated pockets of evergreen tropical forest in the Western Ghat mountain in India. The lion-tailed markhor is considered to be omnivorous, eating mainly fruits, insects, eggs, as well as small animals on occasion. It even uses special cheek pouch to store food while foraging. The markhor live in group of between 10 to 20 individuals with one dominant male taking responsibility of leading the entire troop. Young males leave at the onset of the maturity and join bachelor group, while young females form strong bonds with their mother and usually remain within their natal group. Female give birth every 3-4 years and species can live up to 20 years of age in the wild and about 30 years in captivity with less than 2500 individuals remaining in the world wide and about 400 more in zoos. The lion-tailed markhor is one of the most endangered species in the world today, also hunted for its meat and fur. Only 1% of their original habitat remains because of timber harvesting and agriculture, and as their population numbers counted to decrease, Europe's captive population now make up 40% of the entire group left on the planet. In short, a lion-tailed markhor has silver-white mane surrounding the head, cheeks and chin. As in lions, it feeds itself on fruit, seeds, young leaves, stem, flowers and birds. It also eats insects under the bark of the trees. It mostly lives on the tree and is a good climber. It rarely comes down to the ground. Now the next tropical rainforest animal is elephant. Elephant is a well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest. It has adapted to the climate of the rainforest as follows. Large fan-like ears. These help animals to hear ever a very soft sound, keep cool in the hot and humid climate. The thin skin over the ears can lose heat quickly. Large trunk. Elephant has a strong sense of smell. It smells through its tongue. It uses its trunk for holding and picking up things, including its food. Now the next adaptation of elephant is tusk. The tusk of the elephant are its modified teeth. It uses its tongue for digging the root of the food plants or tearing the bark of the tree to get the inside pulp. Pulp enables elephants to compete for food rather well. And the last adaptation of elephant is large pillar-like legs. The four large pillar-like legs balance its bulky body by providing a broad base. The cushion-like pads under its feet provide cushioning during walking. Now one more important fact about elephant is elephants can lift load up to 200 kgs with their trunk. Therefore, elephants are employed for lifting, transporting logs of wood from the forest. This map is given in your book at page number 104. This is the world map. The polar region and tropical rainforest are marked in blue and red respectively. Adaptation in animal to polar regions. The polar regions are covered with snow and are very cold throughout the year. During winters, the temperature can be as low as 40 degrees Celsius. Animals living under such severe condition have adapted by developing certain specific features. General features developed by animals living in polar regions are: animals living in polar region are usually white or a light colored. It makes them not easily visible in the snowy background and protect them from their predator. It also helps them to catch their prey. Most animals living in the polar region hibernate during winter and utilize the energy for the food already stored in the body. Urbanization also minimizes their metabolic activities. The animal in these regions have thick wool and fleece on their body. This protects them from extreme cold. The fat under the skin also gives them protection against the cold. Now, the adaptation in animals to the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforests are located around the equator. The climate of tropical rainforest is hot. It is about 15 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, and there is a humid climate. This region get plenty of rainfall due to warmth and humidity. The rainforests support a wide variety of plant and animals. There is one fact about the tropical rainforest: the days and nights are of nearly equal duration. Now let us discuss the back exercise questions, then you are able to write answers easily. Now the question number A, very short answer question, answer in one word. What changes from day to day, the weather or the climate? The answer is weather. At what time, the duration during the day, the temperature at a place is the highest? It is afternoon, means the answer is afternoon. Which of the coastal or island inland area are cooler and wetter? The answer is coastal area is or are cooler and wetter. Next question: what is the adaptation of the genetic basic called? The answer is permanent adaptation. And the last question: mention one adaptation in penguins. The one adaptation of penguin is their body are streamlined, which help to swim underwater. Now the question B, short answers question. Answer in 10 to 15 words. Mention two human activities which influence the climate of a place. The answer is the first human activity is deforestation, cutting down of trees, and second, industrialization. Industries consume very large amount of fossil fuel which is responsible for air, water and soil pollution. Now the question number 2. Name the various elements of weather. The elements of weather are temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. Name the geographical factors affecting the climate of a place. Now the answer is geographical factor affecting the climate of a place are distance from the sea, ocean currents, mountains, distance from equator, direction of the wind, etc. Now the next question mentioned for adaptation in elephant. This answer is on the page number 108 and 109. You have to write your own, and you have to write long answer question type word in 20 to 25 words. And this D, tick the odd one out, giving reason. If there is a problem, you may ask within a class to find out these answers. Now I think whatever I taught in this video you may understand, and if there is a problem you can raise doubt in class.